the tutorial on how to make a what you're going to do is start off with your square sheet of paper, and you're going to fold along the blue lines that I have. Now that you have done that, you're going to unfold it and flip over. Now you're going to fold along each green line with your corners going into this part like this. They don't need to be perfect. So now what you're going to do is fold along the red lines like this. And you're going to do the same, but turn to the side and do the other side. Now you're going to take any two of these, but it has to be facing each other, and pull them apart. Now what you're going to do is fold up on these purple lines, like this. Now what you're going to do is you've got yellow lines at both sides, and as this is folded in like this, you're going to take these and it opens up, and you're going to put it in like that and do the same with this. Now what you're going to do is take a square of tape and pop it in the middle. There you have it. You have your little box, and you can store anything in it. You can store little ones in it. It's up to you. Or it can be a little decoration. So there you have it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment if you want more.